Hello, this is Nelson Narciso with North Coast Naturals, an all-Canadian company, Canadian-made and Canadian-owned, here to talk about Ultimate Daily Cleanse. This is a 3-in-1 supplement. It contains not only 14 grams of fiber, 8 of which are soluble, 6 of which are insoluble. It also contains 6.5 grams of those all-important omega-3 and 6 fats alongside the goodness of a probiotic. Now, before we do a deeper dive into this product, let's talk about fiber in general, a bit of a fiber 101, if you will. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that we cannot digest nor absorb. It goes through you undigested. It has no caloric value, and there are two types of fiber. There is soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water. It's the fiber that binds to cholesterol and helps also regulate blood sugar. And then you have insoluble fiber, and that's the one that we associate with going to the bathroom and being a bit more regular. Now, one of the things that we have to address is that most of us in North America don't meet our daily fiber requirements. They recommend 25 grams for women, 38 grams for men. And there is what's called a huge fiber gap. A fiber gap is reference to the fact that we're only getting half of our recommended daily intake, which is probably about 14 grams, say 10 to 14 grams of fiber a day. The great thing about Ultimate Daily Cleanse is that it provides that other 14 grams. It makes up that difference quite nicely. Now, one of the things that a lot of people often associate with fiber, as I mentioned a moment ago, is regularity, going to the bathroom. And yes, that's largely the insoluble fiber. What we need to recognize are there are many other wonderful health benefits when consuming dietary fiber. It lowers the risk of heart disease. It lowers blood pressure. It regulates blood sugar, lowers the risk of cancer, certain types of cancers. It lowers the risk of obesity. And one other important yet often undiscussed benefit is the ability to bind to toxins. It acts like a sponge, holding on to the toxins, allowing you to eliminate them more effectively. So any good detox should in fact incorporate fiber. So what is in Ultimate Daily Cleanse? Well, there are 6 different types of dietary fiber. We have Canadian flaxseed, we have psyllium, organic quinoa, organic chia, organic pumpkin, and organic sprouted brown rice. All of that provides you with those 14 grams of dietary fiber, 6.5 grams of fat, and we have the added benefit, once again, of our probiotic in this formula. Now, one of the other things that we need to mention is that fiber oftentimes can cause some digestive upset. It can cause a bit of tummy issues, if you will. So the idea here is ideally to try to do something with fiber that allows it to be gentle on the gut. And what we've done is make this a low FODMAP product. Now, what does that mean? FODMAPs are a type or a family of sugars that can digest or be fermented rather in the gut by bacteria. And that fermentation causes bloating and digestive upset. It can lead to IBS and lead to a whole host of problems. This is a low FODMAP formula. The other reason why this is gentle on the gut, we have, once again, those healthy fats. And the healthy fats, in effect, lubricate the gut, allowing these things to pass through more freely. A common lubricant that's often recommended by physicians is mineral oil. And studies have shown that flaxseed works as efficiently as mineral oil when it comes to lubricating the gut. So once again, this Ultimate Daily Cleanse provides all of these great things in one single formula. 14 grams of fiber, 8 of which are soluble, 6 of which are insoluble, 6.5 grams of omega-3 and 6 fats alongside the goodness of a probiotic. Add it to your yogurt, your cereal, your oatmeal, add it to your protein shake. Make it a staple on a daily basis in your diet and use this gentle fiber source to bring you the wonderful benefits we recognize fiber can bring. This is Nelson Narciso from North Coast Naturals, Food First Living, the way it should be.